Hello everyone, your Sock Monkey here. Today I'm coming to you from Motorworks of Barrington with a 2017 Infiniti Q60. This of course is the replacement for the Q70, the G35 and series of coupes and sedans. This is the coupe model. Of course you do have these very aggressive lights right here. Bottom, you do have driving lights encased in chrome. You do have this very cool honeycomb grille, of course encapsulated with chrome. Beautiful silver color on the vehicle. These are of course 19-inch wheels, black finish, very nice. It's a 2-liter turbo model, and you do have the silver capped mirrors with turn signal repeaters. Over here, of course, nice stitching on the doors, automatic transmission with it does have the Infiniti logo on it. Of course, it comes with navigation and everything you can expect on this beautiful Infiniti. Leather seats, and in the rear, 2 very small seats, of course. Sunroof, as I said, with the shark fin antenna. Dark finished wheels again. This is the all-wheel drive Q60, and it does come with a backup camera, and you do have these beautiful quad tip exhausts with this very nice black finish diffuser on the bottom. Fuel cap right there. Again, lots of chrome running around the vehicle. Very, very nice. Inside here, you would have the facility to release the seat back, so you can have passengers. 2-liter turbo, and then these very nice vents right here. Of course, black finish on the edge there. Really, really nice vehicle. I quite like it, and it does come with the remainder of the factory warranty. So I thank you all for watching, and take care.